going on, Ben?
We had the big blackout of 11. There was a hurricane that knocked down a tree in our yard. And we had to clean it up. And Tom needed to take a chainsaw and start sawing. You!
Try a better name.
I was just doing that so my kids didn't need to call you Daddy.
Your kids are going to call me Grandpa.
This video is for your kids, Ben?
Yeah. I said Tom instead because that's what I'll be calling you.
No. What do I call my dad? What do I call your grandpa?
Daddy.
I call him Dad.
So, what was the name of this hurricane? Did it have a name?
Eileen.
Hurricane Irene.
Irene.
And what else happened other than a tree falling down? Anything else?
Well, we had a big blackout. And now we're doing...
Have you been drinking?
No.
You look a little sauced. I'm just making a joke.
And what happened with the blackout?
Well, the lights came back on, and right now we're having a camp out.
A camp out? Whoop, let's go take a look at what Daddy's doing.
Oh, is it ready for my marshmallow?
It's getting pretty close.
This was Ben's idea. It was a great idea. No power, a lot of sticks around the yard. So what do?
Make a fire!
In our chimenea, the big green egg. But we are so happy because we have this. Everybody shield your eyes. Light. All right, cool. Have a good night, Ben. Have fun.
Thank you, Mommy. Well, party.